It's September 3rd. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought. There's the microwave. Oh my god, I gotta clean that up. Shh, shh, shh. This is my house. Look at the carpet.
This is your house?
Yeah, watch out, baby. I don't think they ever went out here. Oh, there's the stove. Here, and the carpet is so bad. They had that little Chihuahua dog or something. Where's the bed? Where do you think the bed was, Kate?
I think it's down here.
There was the bed.
Huh? And here was the bed?
Wow, man. This was like, I don't think they went out here. Don't think they went out there. That's it, folks. So we're going to rent it out. We're going to clean it up. I am thinking to replace the carpet. Not replace the carpet, put on laminate floor. That's probably what's going to happen.
What do you have here?
What you mean what I have here?
Why you don't have movies? Dad, what?
So funny, when I have the messiest, dirtiest tenants, the bathroom and shower is always clean because they never use it. They're just dirty people who never even shower. That's the ticket. Alright, so, I mean, how did this happen? Like, it's just, come on, dude. So here's out on the deck. They definitely have dog. It's dog food.
Where? Nobody forget it.
That's it.
Fix it back.
Alright, so first we're going to clean the deck at the patio area. You see they had all kinds of animals here. They were animals. They had rats, cats, hamsters, all kinds of crap. So take all this stuff out of here and clean it up, fix the screen, sweep up, and she'll be good to go.